Okie dokie, we've got Oswald and Dad here, and we're gonna be installing a new. That's a CURT trailer hitch, right, Oswald?
I guess so.
So we're gonna need a mat to lay on underneath there, because you and I are gonna lay on top of this.
Trailer hitch?
Yeah, it says trailer hitch. It didn't come with the trailer hitch. Well, I guess we could use this card. Oh, you got a knife? Hello. Kind of lopsided in there. Just an X-Acto knife, Oswald. CURT. Doesn't really say model number. Ontario, Canada. Okay, this is where the exact thing comes in. Oh my! Okay, so that is making move. We gotta take off this tape. Cut it there without cutting my finger. Right there. Don't cut my finger, bro. Don't cut the paint. You're good. We're gonna slide it back. Ozzy and I are gonna lift it up, put it in place. That's the plan. These bolts are basically gonna hold 10,000 pounds. Okay, so these say, Oswald, that we're coming in from the top and screwing it from the bottom. So we're gonna have to put these inside the metal frame. These drop into that, like that. And then from the bottom, so we should do this part first, right? We should go inside the metal frame and hang all these down. So when we look underneath the trailer, there's gonna be, there's gonna be spots that line up. I hear a tractor. Okay, let's go look. Okay, leave those off, the nuts. You got 3 for your side, and 3 for Dad's side. Okay, you see how there's let's look at the construction again. 2 on this side right here, Oz. 2 on the back side, and 1 up front. Yeah, they're dropping down.
Well, why would we drop them down?
Okay, let's go under. We're going under.
I don't know where it's.
Oh yeah, right here. There's 1, 2, and then there's another one right there. Okay, so if I drop this one, oh, that's tight. Okay, that's in. Like that. Another one. Ozzy's winning. He's got 2 already over there. Okay, I gotta catch up to him. Okay, that one worked. Tripod in the way. God.
This is way too heavy to hold up and put bolts in.
No, not if you're Superman.
Yeah.
Okay, grab a bolt. Grab all 6 bolts. Sure. All you need is a block. Okay, let's move this back. Watch this, buddy. Move this back. Going up. Okay, do the other ones too. Get it up to us. And I'll go do the other side. My torque wrench has seen better days. The metal clip came undone there. It got stuck in the drawer when it got put back and bent it back. But either way, we'll use that. So I've got an adapter. So from the large sockets to the smaller sockets. And I've also got, if need be, this giant bar. Okay, on under. Let's start here. Okay, that's 100. We're going up. All in all, that was a 15-minute job. Pretty quick. What do we got here? 10,000 pounds. I bought it from U-Haul. Came in a CURT box, so it's a CURT hitch. And now we're just going to do the wiring. It's the CURT 41989 or U-Haul. So, I got the wiring. Looks like everything came from CURT. So we did buy this with our own money. We bought this one off Amazon, the other one off of uhaul.ca or .com. I probably should have just ordered this from U-Haul as well because this ended up taking a little bit longer. The trailer hitch showed up a week or so ago. So note to self, just order it all at uhaul.com. Best place for hitches that I've found. Okay, so I've got the custom wiring 55540. So we're going to go ahead and open that up. Okay, so this custom wiring, what it does is it's a kind of a two-step process if you don't have a factory wiring, which is underneath the spare tire in this van. This one didn't have that wiring. So what we're going to do is we're going to tap into the lights on both sides, and then the wiring is going to come down into the back. We'll have 4-pin there, and then if we want to add a 7-pin, we got to buy a 7-pin adapter. They do make them on Amazon. This will plug into the 7 and then the other 4 wires. You're going to run, I think, 2 leads up to the front there for power into your brakes. Oh, and then you can run, yeah, for your auxiliary trailer too. All right, so let's get this pulled out. So nicely packaged, came with a little cover, came with some zap straps here, and we got our left and our right, and our down to the 4-pin down there. I guess you use those there. Hello. I've got my helper here, Rosie, coming for the rescue. So we need to figure out how to get this wiring up to this point right here, our connection point, and then we need to get the other wire end, this side, over to the other light. So
we have instructions.
We do have instructions. I don't know, Rosie, how in the world that is supposed to get down below. So, oh, I do see that. This might go down. We know what to do now. We've studied, we figured it out, and now we just need to pass the test.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna come over here. Here, we're gonna find our trailer wires, the green wires here. And we've got our green wires here. So we've just got to push this tab down without breaking it because it's going to be very brittle. There. So it's down. Now, what we're going to do is take this elastic off.
We don't want it too short or too small. So we just find the just perfect one.
Just perfect. Okay, so that's off. Okay, so now we're going to go back up so we can see. We're going to connect our one to the other. And we're going to route it through the headliner to the other side.
You're gonna have
So we're coming up. And we're going to go through the headliner. Hey. Get up. Hey. Right here. Hey. Sit. Thank you for protecting us from the neighbors. You can sit. Now lay down. Lay down. Good girl. Okay, she's listening. Our neighbors are walking the fence. She was going to tell them that she's the boss. She was protecting us.
There's Emma.
Is that their dog's name, Emma?
Yeah.
I see. Okay, so this is going up and over. Okay, I like that. We can zap that. Now, Rosie, over here, we've got all this green wire that we're gonna feed down. Can you back up over to there? Good? Now we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna take this guy here. We're gonna disconnect this one very carefully. There's a little tab there. Oh, got it. This is gonna connect to that one. This is gonna connect to this one. Come on. Now we gotta undo our ground there. So we're gonna attach the ground there. So we gotta get, we turned the camera. 12's too big. 10's perfect. I'm gonna need a little stocking set. We're loosening it, right, Rose? Yeah. Like that. Doing that. I'll hold this part. Up, down, up, down. You're doing good. Keep going. Okay, watch what you're doing. All the way down. All the way down. All the way up. All the way down. All the way up. All the way down. You gotta watch what you're doing. It's just like riding a bike. You gotta look at the road. You don't want to look away. You might have an accident. Okay, I think we got it. Okay, Rosie's ready.
Yeah, under car we don't want anything to hit.
You see this?
Heads. Yeah.
Close your eyes. Actually, can you just come over towards Dad a bit? Okay, you see that right there?
Yeah.
You should probably wear safety glasses when you're in here, because this is going to, could get your eyes dirty.
But you have glasses on.
I do. I got built-in safety glasses.
No, those are inside glasses.
That's true. Oh, that was good. You're not under here. There is so much dirt.
We just don't want to get sand in our eyes.
Man, that was a lot of dirt. Okay. Now, don't go in there yet.
Dad?
Yeah.
Inside
Oh, I feel the foam there. Yeah, there's a little piece of foam. There's a minute. Okay, we're through.
Are we?
Yeah. Okay, watch your eyeballs.
Okay.
We're gonna now get a little fish stick. We're gonna push a little wire or something up there. So we got our Klein.
So we can't
Fish.
see our cutter.
Okay, you see this big one? I'm gonna put it up that hole, okay? See it?
Oh, yeah.
Did you?
Yeah.
Did you get it?
I think
I need to push it up more.
it.
Aha! You got it. We got the cable there, or we got the So now we're gonna tape it. Let's put you back there. Not yet. Not yet. We're just kind of. Okay.
Yeah.
How's it looking?
Oh my God, no.
Okay, I don't want to knot. Any more?
No.
Aha! We did her! We've come down over here and we pulled the wire out right there, and we've got our wire right here.
Yeah, that's a good idea because if we didn't have a wire, so that would be bad, and we have nothing else.
True.
So we just had to use garbage,
So now we'll take off our tape.
but we still have it. So, a big one is that? So I got this, and we were just doing this up. I've got underwear.
Oh yeah, that works way better. Look at that. Dad can just run his finger along it. That's the way to do it. Put in the one side and just drag it up. Rosie, can you hold this side?
Mm-hmm.
And you're gonna try to pull it up to there. Ready? How we doing? Can we go any more, or is it stuck?
Dad, no.
Okay, so that worked really good that way. So now we just gotta cut it. I'll get a knife. And I got red tape, so we'll have to put that on a red seat first. This is a knife, okay?
So we don't want.
I don't want to do it with you. Cut towards your
Thumb.
chum, not towards your.
Thumb.
Yeah, so I gotta cut towards you. Same. That's not gonna work though. I'm gonna cut you.
Dad, don't cut your thumb.
Yeah, thank you. Okay. Okay, that's there.
Because ever we had no like that tape, we have to buy some. You have to like leave this, and you have to drive.
Yeah, I don't want to do that right now, do you? And
Just so dusty.
Dry and Dusty was the name of that place.
Oh, it's in my eye.
Sorry. Here we're just looping the cable up over the frame and over to the trailer hitch. Then we'll zap strap it all together and it'll be a job well done. It's tucked up nicely right there.
Dad.
And then it comes across
What?
over to here
Dad.
and zap strap on right by the hitch.
Like right here.
Here, we got our 4-pin there. So we're just gonna put the trim together and we are good to go. What do you say, Rose? Can you give me a high five? Okay, so we zap strapped it up top here, and we added a zap strap there. And we put this, and I got little Gilbert up there. I got Rosie. Wee-haw, choo-choot, they say. Okay, mission accomplished. What do you think, Gilbert? Yeah. All right, there you have it. Thanks for watching. What do you say, gal? Hey, we got our new hitch. What's inside? Ah! What's inside? Okay, again. Who's in the trailer box? Ah, trailer hitch box.